This is a compressed file found on Windows installation media. It is not ready to run. You have to use the expand command in the terminal to uncompress it into the full file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the command. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any EXMUG file. Let's try the simple solutions first. An EX file is a compressed file format used by Microsoft Windows, often associated with installation packages or software updates. These files are typically compressed versions of executable files or other system components. They are used to reduce the size of distribution packages and are usually extracted during the installation process. The EXON format is a simple compression method used to reduce file sizes. During installation, the files are decompressed and renamed to their original extensions, e.g. .exe, DLL. This process helps to streamline the distribution of software and updates, especially over networks with limited bandwidth. The EX format is inextricably linked to the application Microsoft Windows from Microsoft. Native Windows utilities may fail to correctly allocate memory for the file's execution. Windows provides no insight into runtime actions, so proper inspection relies on dedicated tools. Open the menu by right-clicking your EX file and choosing Open With. Test Microsoft Windows if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the EX file differently. If your EX file will not open yet, do not panic. We need to act fast after that failed attempt. Let's transition immediately into these 3 crucial steps for error isolation. First, use Windows Expand. Open the command prompt and use the expand command to decompress the .exe file into a usable .exe file. Next, use 7-zip. Right-click the file and use 7-zip or WinRAR to extract the contents, which will usually result in a standard executable file. Finally, rename to cab. Try renaming the extension to cab and double-clicking it to see if Windows can open it as a standard compressed folder. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the EX name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format regardless of its current label. You need the power of file magic. It's the only tool I know that can instantly show the contents of a problematic EXONES file, even if the extension has been wrongly renamed. Get it now at filemagic.com. Signing off for now. Your subscription helps fund the research needed for these detailed guides. Thank you for subscribing.